Give me a second here, guys. I'm trying to figure out what exactly is going on. There we go. Alrighty, I believe we're live. And if we're not, well, damn. I'll be right back, guys. Give me 1 second. Hello, everyone. I have returned. Let's take a look at these markets, shall we? Alright, so it looks like we just established our first 15 minutes of the day. Let me get rid of this. Ooh. Put that over there. Alright, first 15 minutes of the day. And it looks like we're gonna be bearish bullish. Big bullish for the day. So now all I'm waiting for is, this is a huge range here, guys. So we may have some room to play around here. Yeah, this range is huge, but it's okay. Close doors and whatnot. Check emails. Alright, so now I just want to see what we want to do here. Coming right back down into the range here. So not too much I could do with that huge explosion there. Eyes on this level right here. Not something I would want to necessarily play though. I don't want to mess around in this range, but may have to. Because this range is pretty stupid. Took a metric ton of liquidity here. Now it's just a matter of seeing what price wants to do here. I do believe we have some type of news. I'm pretty sure. Yep, we have some red folder at 10. So we might just wait for that, guys. I don't see a reason to slap on a trade right now. Now this does look like a promising area for it to go up. SMAs are aligned. 1 minute fair value gap. First presented fair value gap of the day, as some would call it. But I'm just not feeling it. I don't see a reason to just hop blindly into here. Even though this looks really promising. You probably see something like this. If it wants to take this new high, quick, fast, in a hurry. Stops are very wide here, because I've noticed that a lot of times price likes to punch back down into that 5 minute fair value gap. But I know some people are going long right here, so just want to outline that. To be honest, guys, I'm gonna switch up this music a little bit. DJ's not doing it for me here. Yeah, DJ is not doing it for me here. Yeah, see why I didn't want to take that. Ring. Yeah, see why I didn't want to take that right there? See how we just wanted to punch into it again? So, I don't want to scrub this. Just follow price, see what it wants to do. See what it wants to do, see what it wants to do. Yeah, I might be switching up this DJ here, guys. It's not doing it for me. It's not doing it for me. But I do need a little house music with a little bit of energy, you know what I mean? So let's cycle through. A little too jazzy. Want to stay with the house techno type of feel. Stay with the house techno type of feel. And I need me a coffee, something bad here, guys. So this sounds good for now, at least. All right, coming right back down. Coming right back down. Disrespecting the first presented fair value gap. First presented bullshit. First presented bullshit, guys. Let me stop talking shit about ICT before the goons come after me. First presented nonsense. Oh shit, my bad. Guys, sorry, I'm just getting my life here together. And taking this first presented nonsense of the day. First presented bullshit. First presented nonsense failed. What else is new? Yeah, I'm about to make me a coffee, guys. There's nothing to do here. Be right back. All right, people. What we doing? Oh, look at that. Got ran the fuck through. Oh no. Oh no, whatever will we do? And there's your news. I do not want to just hop in here though. Man, we got some volatility this morning. Okay. We got something here, chat. We do have something here. Just need a little bit of structure to form up. And I'm kind of interested in these shorts. Kind of interested in these shorts. Kind of interested in these shorts. Good job for not taking that nonsense there. Yeah, I just need a little retracement here. It's gonna be really hard to short right here. Take a look at the heat map. Yeah. Yeah, I still have nothing here. If I were to take a trade, I would have tried to look for that short right there. But I just need a little bit more conviction here. I'm kind of interested in this, to be honest. Yeah, I'm kind of interested in this. Don't know how much I'm gonna put on it though.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try that right there. Man, look at this volatility here, guys. That is only 3 micros to the downside. Ooh. Alright guys, I am going to try and play these shorts right here. Playing shorts, break of the opening range or the orb. Break of the orb right there. See if price wants to continue on down. Okay. See if price wants to continue on down, okay? Giving these shorts a try. See if we want to break on lower here. Hitting this fair value gap. Want to see it disrespected. SMAs look a little good. And we're coming back up to respect this. It's kind of what I did want to see.
Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
Alright, looks like price wants to retrace up higher. And it kind of makes sense. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. That's a huge drop down. Absolutely huge. Yeah, I'm just gonna wait for my stop to get invalidated here.
Order filled.
All right, stopped out on that one. Stopped out on that one. Let's see if there's another opportunity here. All right, big swing here. Problem with this is we didn't really establish any structure to go short. What is price telling me? One. No, it's not clean. It's simply not clean, guys. It's simply not clean. I'm gonna extend this a little bit just so I can have some room to practice and trade today. And set that to do nothing. So down 230 on a real account, this would be terrible. It's a bullish engulfing coming out of that area right there.
Order
I'll
filled.
give it a shot. I don't like how we broke the orb for it to come up though. So this may be another loss here. I'm being kind of willy-nilly because I'm in practice, which isn't the best thing. And yeah, Jesus Christ. Yeah, this is part where we start barcoding, right? Yeah, it's like, why would it need to come, why would price need to come back up just because we formed a bullish engulfing on the 5? It doesn't make too much sense. Yeah, it doesn't make too much sense here. I'm gonna close
Order
that.
filled.
Yeah, that was a bad trade. Yeah, because we came all the way up to, yeah, not really seeing the market too cleanly here, guys, today. I still like this fair value gap. The 5 minutes says it wants to push back up, but I'm just getting real conflicting signals here. Should I try it again? 30-second doesn't look like it wants to go back up. 1 minute is still not really telling me all that much. Yeah, this one's rough. This one's rough. Yeah, like the breakout of the orb just looks so convincing to go long here. SMAs look pretty good. Should I hop back in? It's kind of late now. Yeah, I just wanted to do a really awesome retracement there. I'll try it again.
Order filled.
At the top of the range. Look at you, Andre. Didn't get in on the retracement. You got in on the top. That's a lot of volume today.
Order filled.
I'm just not feeling none of this action right here. Like, I want to give price a chance, but it also looks like this wants to fail. Like, why would it want to go right back up? We then manipulate it up. I mean, it's just not making too much sense. Just wouldn't make too much sense for us to go long here. We'll try it again.
Order filled.
Try one last time here. If this doesn't work, we gotta stop this nonsense. That's 6 micros, guys. Not exactly heavy size here. Yeah, this is not my market. It is 10:15. What's the hour they say? Yeah, like I just don't see price just coming right back up. Like, it just would not make any sense. So why am I in the trade if it doesn't make any sense, right? Yeah, I just don't have any. I don't have any conviction for anything. That's kind of why I'm hopping in and out of trades right now, I guess. This probably would have been like your first little entry right here.
Al mixer, DJ Riccardo Morra.
Oh man, that scared the shit out of me. That scared the absolute shit out of me. Yeah, not trading too well here today, guys. Not trading too well here today. That would be fantastic if we could get that. Yeah, look at all this red. Guys, I'm gonna be honest. I don't think we have the strength to jump up there. Look at this stupid ass rejection. I mean, look at that. That hourly has mostly wick. Yeah, I don't think we can do it. I honestly don't think we can do it. Yeah.
Order
I'm
filled.
getting out of that. All right. Taking a second here. Taking a second here, because that just would not make any sense. Yeah, accumulation, manipulate up, distribute back down. Like I'm not particularly bearish today, but I just don't see a reason for us to go any higher than what we just did. So I'm just gonna chill out for a second. If anything, I want to look for a reason to short. Alright, now we're starting to get that pump up there. I want to short this. I really do. I really want to short this. Just don't have any proof. Just don't have any proof right now. I can't drop it down to the 15. Like I can't. Like now I'm I need a little bit more than this. Oh, ES took the time? It did. Now, ES looks a lot better. Man, look at ES! I might be taking ES here, boys. Real question is NQ when they drag ES up there? Yeah, NQ looks absolutely terrible. ES kind of supports my thesis a little bit more. Did I get rid of MNQ? I did. Yeah, this is trading. This is trading. Being bored as fuck. Waiting for an opportunity, I suppose. The 20 is holding price really well here. Yeah, I'm gonna remain bearish here, guys. I'm gonna remain bearish here. And we're starting to come up a little bit higher here. After nipping the orb. Good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Oh, might be all gas, no brakes from here, guys. Yep, my model is just not presenting itself, so that's fine. Model not presenting itself. Is A-okay. Market's kind of confusing right now. Also, I have Pal speaking today at 1. Might be a short Monday. Might be a short Monday. I don't have any inkling to try and figure out what that man has to say and how to move the market. It's Monday. It's only Monday. Yeah, price. Now all of a sudden the longs didn't look all that bad, but still, this would have been too hard. Yeah, guys, that could go all the way back up. That can go all the way back up.
What I drew this morning.
Yeah. Beautiful support right there. Beautiful support. Alright, this part where we probably start seeing a little bit of steam. It's just I have nothing. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I don't have anything here. Yeah, none of my model just did not show up today, unfortunately. Time is it? 10:30? Yeah, another hour. Hour-ish. Oh my god, this shit is putting me to sleep. Jesus. Yeah, guys, there's nothing for me to do here besides just watch this shit go up. Your entries were down here somewhere. Entry was here. Now you just gotta watch it print slowly back to the upside. Nothing I can do. Like a lot of things in trading, nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. I just can't believe price just wanted to come all the way back up like that. Not too much I can do.
L'eccellenza è nella selezione. Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
Yeah, guys, this is gonna be hard to watch, but we're gonna start just doing shit like this, most likely. And I kind of don't want to sit through that. Kind of don't want to sit through that, but let's see. Price is in this little rangy range right here. And I just don't see nothing that's going to stop it to go right back up. So can't short. I'd rather not long. I'd rather not do anything in this big ass range, honestly. Yeah, I'd rather not do anything. if anything would happen, maybe a long, but dude, that doesn't make any sense to my mind. Everything is red today except for Nvidia and whatever the fuck AVGO is. Down to this healthcare. Yeah, we got a little bit of green on the board, a little bit of veg on the board, but this is not anything. The fuck was that sentence? This isn't anything I want to play with right now. We could just slow grind back up. Not too many participants in the market right now. We could just do exactly what this little arrow says. But I'm still looking for shorts personally. Even though the market is telling me to go long. And stay long. Forever. 2 minutes says go long. 3 minutes probably saying go long. 5 minutes isn't saying go long. 5 minutes said to go long. 15 minutes. Oh, well, every time for it said to go long. And what did you do? You didn't go long. Yeah, it's one of those. Looks like one of those shits. Hey, just buy the pullback. Whatever pullback you see, just buy that shit. Yeah, guys, I'm very much not interested in watching price just slowly creep back up, but I will because that's what it takes. I'm a day trader. That's what it takes. I am a day trader. Day trader. Like, yeah, see, we can't break nothing. Yeah, every opportunity to short is probably going to get blasted through because I was the person getting blasted through, and it's just best to just not do anything right here. Always best to just not do a goddamn thing while you're here. I guess I should have waited for next time. We'll wait for a 5. Well, we got a 5-minute closure. Yeah, it just so happened that it didn't work today, Andre. Just so happened that it didn't work today. Okay, let me check up on my favorite streamers. What's Zach doing today? Oh, Zach. Looks like Zach took a W. Nice. Real nice. Early morning short. Wow. On the big ES too. Very nice. That's good stuff. Boom. Ooh. Lord have mercy. Yeah, there it is. There it goes. Oh, man. Ah. Ouch. Yikeroony. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Yeah, so I'm basically an SBS Model 2 type of guy, and I just haven't been able to see it, and there's nothing wrong with that. There is nothing wrong with that, and what we can't do is we can't force a trade. So definitely cannot force the trade. Let me see if I can get something from the playbook here. Yeah, so basically at all times I'm usually looking for, can I copy and paste this? I'm usually just looking for something like this. Oh, I can't paste it. Sorry guys. I thought you could paste this. Copy image. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Yeah, even though we got like that really big jump up, I'm telling you guys, this still has the potential to just make another goddamn high. So this could just do that. This nigga Tyler. This has the potential to just make another jump. Very much so. We're getting an engulfing candle here. I mean, if we could get an engulfing candle here on the full. Whoa! Whoa! What was that?
The market is open.
Whoa. Whoa. Hello there. Now the question is, do we look for, I mean, I can't trade against the moving averages, even though I want to be bearish. Let me see. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh, no, it would have to be 1, 2, 3. See if it'll model wants to present itself here. I mean, this could be an SBS Model 1 forming up, but kind of don't want to take it. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. This could be an opportunity to go long. Could be an opportunity to go long. Tough. Really tough right here. We have a lot of things going against us here. Bullish engulfing. Inside of the orb range. Not something I want to particularly play with right now. Heat map is still incredibly bearish in my opinion. that this could be your opportunity to get in on a long. It's 250.50, man. It's just 250.50. Everything says to stay long. Yeah, everything says to just stay your butt long. Yeah, everything within these two red lines right here is a low probability. I hate using that word, but so far the bread and butter strategy is pretty nice.
L'eccellenza è nella selezione. Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
What do we want to do? What do we want to do? One, two, three. I'm gonna sweep my phone. I don't like how the entry point of the one is at the same spot. Yeah, wouldn't have been a bad short. Made a new low. Kind of respected that flow right there. One, two, three. It's kind of hard to focus. All right. All right. I'm thinking that we will probably want to stay long from right here. It's just not clean. It's just not clean. I don't like how our 1 and 2 is right here. 4. Oh yeah,
Order filled.
let's try that. Starting to get that closure above. See if we want to keep going from here. Got a feeling press is going to make me work for it. Give this a little room. Give this a couple tries here, if I can afford it. Now this could just sweep us right back, honestly. If I have it, your stop all the way down here is ridiculous though. I can't do that. So yeah, I'll just keep it right here.
Order filled.
Kind of like that.
Order filled.
Right, full position right there.
L'eccellenza è nella selezione. Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
Alright, may want to come and sweep this again, which is fine. It's always the tricky part. You'll never 100% know what's the 4 and what's the 5. This could very well be 4, and we come down lower to make 5, like somewhere down here, which is fine. Just gathering a little bit of data right here. Yeah, this is what also don't like to play within this range. Don't usually like to do that. It's usually a death sentence.
Let's get it.
But the model showed up, so give it a shot. Giving this a shot. Price is getting messy in this range. Alright. I kind of wanted it to just go back, like straight back up. Doesn't seem like it wants to do that at the moment. Took the trade on a 30-second. That looks terrible. That one looks really bad. Yeah, guys, I'm gonna be honest. It does feel like I'm reaching right here. Really does feel like I'm reaching. If we can close above this, that'd be great. Yeah, asking price to literally just do anything right here is kind of a lot. Yep, still couldn't get these closures above. And probably just reject again. Alright, look, this R&B shit is not for me, dog. Yeah, R&B is just not for me. Not right now, at least. Yeah, Price wants to just screw around right here. Price wants to just be price action right here. I don't like that. Yeah, I don't like that at all. I really don't like this. But I'm gonna stick with it. See if we want to respect this right here, I guess. But that is a really definitive rejection. Man, I really want to close this. I really want to close this. Like, I really do. And you guys just do not know how much I want to close this. But we'll hold. Yeah. Back to entry. Trying to trust the process here. Trying to trust the process. But man, this is tough. This is really tough. Yeah, guys, this isn't looking good. This is not looking good. Thinking that the 20 wants to meet up with the 200 right here. Unfortunate. Well, I did call it. I did call it, and I didn't want to get out. Bearish engulfing on the 5. Chance of us barcoding here. I'm gonna just take the stop out. I'm gonna just take the stop out here. Look for another one. Tell you what, since this looks so ugly, I'm gonna de-risk here. God damn it. I was trying to get a couple out right there. Yeah, because this looks horrendous, guys. Oh, she's allowing me to get a couple out. Will he do it? Yeah, guys, this doesn't look too good. If we can engulf back on the 5, that'd be great. But you know, asking for a lot. And we get another hourly candle too. I'm gonna de-risk right there.
Order filled.
Yeah, I'm gonna take 2 off. Can't break even. It just looks too bad. It looks horrendous for me. Oh, now it wants to start going. I mean, yeah, Andre, I did what I had to do. I did what I had to do, and it's not like we're out of the woods yet. I did not want to take 5 off right there, but it just does not look good. Just reduce some risk right there. Get into the habit of just taking a lower hit than what you would normally do. Yeah. She scared me again, boys. She scared me again. She scared me again. She scared me again. She scared me again. And TP one hit. Okay, guys, I don't want to do it, but I will put this like right below here. And let's see if we can get some continuation here. We have another hourly candle hitting in 30 seconds here. Boom. There it goes. Boom goes the dynamito. Boom shakalaka. Yeah, won't be enough to save the day here unless we make like a new high. But I'm pretty proud of this. Not too bad, not too shabby. Not too bad, not too shabby here. Really wish I would have left that 5 on there. But hey, it is what it is. So now we're getting a new hourly candle. I would love for us to just make new highs right here. Yep. Here we go. Let's see if we can get the full SBS here, guys. I'm on 2 out right here. Sell limit 2. I'm gonna take, yeah, give me 2 out right there if we can get it. 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 Okay. Decided to not make a new high for some reason. I mean, not for some reason. It makes perfect sense. Probably should have just took 2 off right here. Yeah, the chance of us going all the way up here is kind of low. Oh, look at that. Nice, nice, nice. Type shit, type shit, type shit. Type shit, type shit. Type shit. Come on, new high, type shit, type shit. New high, type shit. New high, type shit. Yep. Coming right back down and whoa. Wow. Look at that. That's not what you want to see. Can you add?
Order filled.
I want to add right there. I kind of like that. Not gonna lie, Chad. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I kind of like that. I think that's worth the risk right there. And if not, well, we just take an L. But I kind of like that type shit, type shit, type shit, type shit. Go ahead and flip on back up. You know, I should be treating this account the exact same way I'd be treating the XFA, and you know, I would never do this in an actual account. Oh, that was the close of the 5 minute. Oh shit. Yeah. Well, might be another mistake here, boys, but you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Would love it if buyers just come right back. And if not, well, you know. Five minutes still kind of in our favor here. Or we can just smack us right back down out of this consolidation. Remember, we're still in the 50-minute orb. Literally anything can happen here. When I say literally, I mean literally anything can happen here. And I should be practicing as if this is my actual account, and I'm not. So that's kind of bad. I would not have done this in an actual account. I would have just taken the bread and just left. She blows? Oh, what is going on today? Yeah, still kind of like it. Same risk, same parameters. Maybe, well, no, if it comes all the way down there, it's just gonna steamroll. So, yep. This is why we don't deal with this shit, boys. It's 11 o'clock. All right, moment of truth here. If it respects this for value go. We'll think about hopping out. The music is so low. I did my music is so low. Oh, my bad. There we go. Come on. Give me a new high. Or I could take 3 off right here. That's also an option. It's also an option. Come on, like don't respect this right here. There's no need for it to. Just go ahead and go back up. I'm hands off the wheel. My hands are folded. I'm not playing with you right now. It respected the perfect. Alright, boy, we're probably just wrong. That's all. Yeah. La gente espera su llegada. No hay reclamos porque no hay llamadas. Te quiere si quiere no hay nada. Te quiere si quiere no hay nada. Tú sabes bailar. That is hilarious. Okay, we're coming down. We're coming down. Well, remember Ellen thing. Take profit. He added. And oh, the life is crazy. Yeah, this is not looking good at all. And it's coming right back down. Test up to 20, probably smack me right back out. The most I can do is this right here. That's the best I can do. She'll probably just quick little run right there. Come right back up. I'll stay with it. I will stay with it.
Hasta la voz alada. La gente espera su llegada. No hay reclamos porque no hay llamadas. Te quiere si quiere no hay nada. Te quiere si quiere no hay nada. Tú sabes bailar. Siente fácil caminar. Tú sabes bailar.
Good day for the journal, though. Good day for the journal.
Vamos, vamos, vamos a hacerlo. Yo no tengo miedo, lo siento. Tú sabes bailar, sabes bailar. Tú sabes bailar, sabes bailar. Cuando te veo yo quiero pegar. No lo puedo controlar, mucho menos intentar. Imposible de explicar.
This huge range. At least go to the top of the range. The range, people, the range. Now we're winning, we can go back to a little time frame. Like a little secret. Losing, look at the higher time frame. Can we bust the buff this? We should be able to. Should be able to. Kind of a little confidence. A little up again. Very possible. Man, this shit right here supported price for the past almost half hour or so. Jesus. Okay, can we pump? Can we get much higher? So high. Oh, oh, oh. Man, I really wish I could play that song. That'd be great. Come on, don't range right here. Oh boy, come on. Not because I want to win, because I want to be done. It's 11:15. I'd rather not be sitting here all day. I mean, 1 minute looks pretty good. Like, if you just like make another high, if I can break even, I might even do 3 out right here. Price is taking this beautiful time. You bet your sweet dippy. Bet your sweet dippy. Come on, give me that new high. Give me the new high so I can break even and be done for the day. I don't want to sit here all day. I do want to do other things with my life. NASDAQ. Right back down to the range. Would love to do other things with my life, NASDAQ. That's right. Respect that fair value, guys. Now that we're losing again, see if this barcode action wants to hold. Alright, where we at? Oh wow.
Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
I mean, look at that. When we going down. Yep, that is a range, ladies and gentlemen. But as rangy as it gets. Alright, I'll be honest with you. I don't care whether his TP or stop loss at this point. Just get me out of this shit. Yeah, just get me out. Like, this shit is stupid. TP, stop loss, hit something. TP, stop loss, just hit something so I can go. It is 11:30, guys. All in all, I wouldn't really call this like the best session. I didn't wait for this. Didn't have the patience to wait for this. Didn't have the patience to wait for any resemblance of my model actually showing up. And you know that's bad. Like, you know, you're only supposed to trade what you know. And if you start trading a whole bunch of dumb shit, that's when, you know, this will happen. So that is really unfortunate. But, you know, it is what it is. Volume is definitely in for today, though. That's for sure. Alright, let's see if we wanna do it here. Let me doubt it. Getting mixed up in the retail rents, as they would say. Mixed up in the retail rents. Oh yeah. Yeah, alright, I'm giving this another 10 minutes, guys. I'm not saying anything. Not that I don't love you. Not that I don't love you, but goddamn. This is a lot. Get up, stretch my legs, do something. Get up and stretch my legs. Kind of, how much would it be if I just put full TP right here? Yeah, I can't add more to this. Definitely can't add more to this, but I got a feeling that if we start to make these new highs up here, we'll just keep on going for the rest of the day. Alright, you got until 11:30. I'm getting out of here. You got until 11:30 NASDAQ. I have full position right here. See if it wants to get higher.
Order filled.
Alright, I like that. This is the part where it busts us out. Don't do this, guys. I'm a professional. See, the price wants to hold right here. This looks really weird. Yeah, price is gonna want to do something in a minute. Just waiting to see what it wants to do. It looks like it doesn't want to do much. Looks like it doesn't want to do much. Like, yeah, we can just scoot and boot back to the upish side. It's probably be about 500 bucks, so a little more than that. Yeah, come on, scoot and boot. Like one high would be nice. Just like one brand new high. Then you can retrace all you want after that. You can retrace all you want after that. So just put that right there. Yeah, just get me out right there. Then you can scoot, you can boot, you can do whatever it is you want to do. I won't be in you. BRB, watch for trade. Ah, come on, guys. Still no? Still no? Come on now. Imagine actually sitting in this thing. Yeah, somebody's got to give up. Somebody's got to give up here. Who is going to be first? Who is it going to be first? Who is going to give up first? Looks like buyers. Looks like buyers. Alrighty, buyers giving up here. Buyer said fuck it. Buyer said fuck this, we're out. Buyer said I've had enough of this shit. I'm tired of buying this shit, Grandpa. That's too damn bad. You keep buying. Yeah, I think we're cooked here, boys. I do think we're cooked here, boys. That's why you don't go against the rules. Yeah, I don't see it coming back up here. To be close in 5 minutes. It didn't. This bar could have. Now we're in the busy red. Which is fine. I just want to leave. Get me out of this. Get me out of this nonsense right here. And what it could do is it could just hit this little point right here and go back up. Could just do this right here and then back up. But yeah, the SMAs are we're just stuck here. Powell speaking in another 2 hours or so. SMAs are going in between price action, so this will probably be a stop out right here. Which I'm happy about because I get to go the fuck, well not go home, but just get off of this shit.
Al mixer DJ Riccardo Morra.
Alright, another 30-minute candle loading here. About to move off the previous, so this will probably be a stibbity stop out. Oh, come on, NASDAQ. Just move somewhere, please. Alright, cool. Bet. Do it. I want you to do it. I want you to stop me out. Bored to death. Yeah, guys, I'm simply not stopping. I mean, sitting here for another half hour. Been staring at this shit since 9:30. 2 hours of straight candle starage. Good.
I really don't think you're strong enough. No. Do you believe in life after love? I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No.
Once again, respecting this range, and look at us in the middle of the range. 30 minutes should close here in a couple seconds, and we'll probably get a pop up and go straight back down. Because the algo said so. The algo. All right. Bearish engulfing on the 5. Retrace back up. Come back down.
No, I don't need you anymore. No, I don't need you anymore.
Yep.
No, I don't
And I'll probably take it away.
No, I don't need you anymore.
Let me start the rotation. Yeah, that's pretty definitive. But price doesn't know what it wants to do, so it'll be hard for us to move anywhere. Come on, somebody tweet something. Trump tweet something real quick. Say something. Dr. Umar. Somebody. Nancy Pelosi. AOC. Zuck. Somebody do something, please. Wake the market back up.
I can feel something inside me say, I really don't think you're strong enough. No.
Oh my god. How long have I been sitting in this trade, guys? I've been sitting in this trade for... It's got to be at least an hour by now. Almost. Range trading. Range trading. Range trading. At least put this in stand mode at least. God damn. Well, no, this still has the potential to come back. Alright guys, look. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm about to close this. Yeah, it's not,
Order filled.
Yeah, we're not doing anything. So that's gonna be it for me, guys. Got some good data here, got some good practicing. But I'm simply not just gonna sit here and stare at this shit for any longer. If you are watching the stream, give it a like, hit the subscribe button, do all the YouTuber things that the YouTubers say that you should be doing. But I'm out of this shit, guys. Like this, we have not moved in the past hour, and that's not it for me. So take care. See you guys whenever, I suppose. Goodbye.